for watching Tokyo Pass 3. Tokyo and a few other prefectures are currently in a state of emergency, so we're gonna kick off 2021 with a video on something fun that you can do at home, and that is cooking gyudon. Gyudon is akin to fast food here in Japan. You can find chain stores everywhere, and they're built to facilitate a quick overturn in customers. They're usually packed with salarymen during lunchtime, at least pre-pandemic, which makes it a little bit difficult for women like me to enter because there's just too much testosterone in the air. But the good news is you can easily prepare gyudon at home with just a few ingredients, and that's what we're gonna do today. We're using a recipe from a website called umamirecipe.com, which is a newly launched website focusing on Japanese cuisine. Let's begin. To begin, we're going to start with this guy over here, which is a naganegi, or a Japanese leek, and we need a fourth of it. Next up, we have enoki mushrooms. Alright, so... So according to the recipe, we're only going to need half a package, which is about, I guess, this much. Cut the dirty part, and then you have to pull them apart to make sure that you don't get the dirty bits. And then just remove the tiny bits as well. Oh my god, how do they actually do cooking shows, you know? I cannot imagine talking and concentrating and cooking at the same time. I am barely managing it as it is. And given the time constraints of a TV program as well, I have newfound respect for people who do cooking shows. Heading on to the grill, we heat 100 milliliters of dashi, and then add a tablespoon of sake and half a tablespoon of sugar. This recipe includes ginger as well, but I'm not fond of ginger, so I'm skipping it. We bring this to a boil and then add the beef. Once the beef is nice and brown, we add the leek, the enoki mushrooms, and then add mirin and soy sauce. We simmer this on high for 2 to 3 minutes. Now that that's done, all we need is steaming white rice in a bowl, and we've got our gyudon. Done! Gyudon が出来上がりました。It smells really good, and I can't wait to dive in. But when I go to Sukiya or Yoshinoya to get my gyudon, I usually order cheese gyudon. So I'm going to add another step and just put cheese on this. I'm just going to go ahead and add cheese here. Da 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 da. La da 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 da. So the cheese, is it actually going to melt? はい、いきますね。Oh my god. Not exaggerating. It's just that I haven't eaten all day, and the last time I ate was around maybe 6 p.m. yesterday, but I was preparing a lot for this video, so, and I had other work things going on, so I'm finally eating. That's the sound of relief, and this is really good and so easy to make, and it's sweet, it's tasty, and it goes well with the cheese, and it makes me want to eat a lot of rice. I'm gonna take another bite because I'm really hungry. こんだけさ、こうだよ、なんかもう動画があれば夢中になるからさ、こういう風に食べるのが忘れちゃってやるんですよ。So good. As I mentioned earlier, this recipe comes from umamirecipe.com, and it's a newly launched website No, this video is not sponsored because look at the number of my subscribers. I'm not big enough to be sponsored, to be honest. It only takes one look at my LinkedIn profile to know that I'm actually a little bit involved in this website, just a little bit. No, this is not part of my job either. It's just that I make YouTube videos, so I thought, well, I might as well make a video out of it. And also because I see what's behind the scenes and I see people working hard to manage this website, which is why I wanted to give a little bit something extra other than the things that they asked me to do for them. So that's my plus alpha. Work ethics, yay! That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you do end up trying this recipe, please let me know in the comment section or send me a photo. I'd love to see what you make. You will probably make something more beautiful than I have. I am just terrible at presentation. And you can also follow Umami Recipe on their official Instagram and Pinterest accounts. This has been Mizhelle for Tokyo Fast 3. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! 食べよう食べよう食べよう食べようまんじゅううまいよ